Good morning, good afternoon, sir. My name is Anushka. I'm studying in sixth class. I'm doing the activity. Uh, Mix the chalk powder in water. This is the chalk powder. This is the water. We are taking a chalk powder and mm, we throw in water. First we take a chalk paste powder and next we mix the chalk paste powder. The chalk powder is down, the water is up. This is the chalk powder is insoluble in water. Next one is piece of a candle in water. This is a piece of candle. This is a piece of a candle. I'm putting in water. The candle is floating. The candle is floating in water. Add some oil drops in water. See the oil drops. The oil drops is spread in water.